part of MSE that we test would be the insight. Okay. Insight is the patient's understanding of how he or she is feeling, presenting, and functioning, as well as his or her mental condition. Okay, so hopefully tayong lahat may good insight, no? Pero very rare actually. Mas may mga tao talagang magaganda yung insight. So, based on Kaplan, may levels of insight tayo. 1 to 5, 1 to 6. Pero you will see na ranging from level 1, 0 insight, as in, wala naman akong sakit, no? Complete denial of illness. Next level, partial denial. So, tingin ko may sakit ako, pero parang wala naman, no? Next level would be level 3, acknowledging na may illness but attributing the illness to another cause. Oo, may sakit ako pero ano lang yan eh, kinulam lang ako or parang this sabi daw nila may sakit ako. No? Level 4 would be intellectual insight. Alam ang sakit niya. Okay? Schizophrenia po ako daw po yung may mga bumubulong sa may naririnig na kung bipolar po ako. Yun po yung nagnaroon ng swing sa patient. Anong yung mental health condition, anong pagkakaintindi mo dito? Sabi sila na ano po, subong lungkot, pag naglulungkot, gusto na lungkot, pag sobrang saya, tagos sa na saya. Mga description ng bipolar, pero yung intellectual insight, hanggang intellect lang. Walang application. Yung second level of insight ay yung true emotional insight. So, there's the illness and then emotional awareness and then ngayon na talaga. May change na. May nagawa na siya to change. To apply, kumbaga, yung alam sa illness. So, very rare yung true emotional insight talaga. Even tayo, no? Mahirap yun. Kadalasan hanggang intellectual insight. Pero you'll meet mga pasyenteng naka-admit na 20 years pero wala naman silang sakit, no? Zero complete denial. Pero expect also from our servicers kasi anusogno siya or yung hindi talaga ma-recognize ng illness, part talaga of schizophrenia, no? And then bipolar, very in denial talaga yan kadalasan. Bipolar, main defense mechanism na denial, but usually no insight. Okay, so sadly, wala tayong gamot para magpataas ng insight. Or sometimes, during the course of the therapy, insight-oriented tayo na therapy, ganoon. So, we want our patients to develop that as well. And next, judgment. We test no judgment. Yung usual, na itatanong yung judgment sa mga lectures niya dati. Pag may napulot ka na wallet, anong gagawin mo? Pag may smoke sa sinihan, mo, ganoon. Okay? Sige, last na yun. Last na ng MSE. Okay, ano questions sa MSE? Okay, kung questions kayo, tanongin nyo na lang inyong residente. Pero do your MSEs na requirements. Okay, babasahin namin ni Doc Janelle. Next, closing phase, follow-up. Last na ito, after the introduction, the middle phase. Lastly, follow-up. So, explain to the patient, no, okay, patapos na pa tayo sa interview, may ilang minutes na lang, and give them an opportunity to ask a question. Okay, mayroon ka bang gustong itanong, additional na tanong? And then, ito usually forget, pero part siya is giving feedback. So, ideally, we give a summary of the diagnosis, options for treatment, psychoeducation, and agree on a treatment contract. Okay. Sige, last part na iyon. Take home notes lang. During the interview, ensure that communication is clear, empathic, and sensitive. Be friendly, respectful, and non-judgmental. Okay, using clear language. And then respond to any disclosures of your patient. patient, no? Especially mga private and very distressing na information with sensitivity. Kung hindi alam ang sasabihin, hindi alam ang gagawin, active listening, silence. And provide information to the person on their health status in terms they can understand. Okay, last na yun. Tapos ilalagari pala natin to na magsa-psychotic disorders pa tayo. Sige. Second day, tomorrow ba kaya may pasok? Pasok ba kaya bukas? Sige, tingnan na lang natin. Sige, break muna kayong. Sige, mga 3:15. Start tayong psychotic disorder. Same link na lang. Okay, questions? Pwede nyo i-type, pwede nyo i-message.